All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at QNT here. So QNT, as we've been watching it here on the 3-day chart, looking at this descending channel, falling wedge, whatever you want to call this pattern, we did break to the upside. We did retest it, which is extremely bullish for support. And ultimately, we're just kind of getting stuck here. It's not doing anything. We're stuck right above the 236, right below from the high to the low, your 382, and in between the 100-day EMA and the 50 here. So it's kind of getting squeezed right now, in my opinion. So that could be a good thing. You're getting squeezed here, and this thing's just going to pop and shoot to the upside out of this bullish pattern here. So it remains to be seen, but it may be gearing up, may be getting accumulated here to just blast off for once for QNT. It's been in this thing forever, as we all know. So with that said, just keeping it real simple here, from where you are right now at 102, your support is pretty much the yellow here, the 50-day EMA, the 21, and the $98 range. So if you fall about 3%, you take out the 50 and the 21, you really want your 98 at your 236 to hold for support, or you're potentially going to fall back down into this pattern here and come all the way back potentially to the bottom at 83 and potentially even lower than that. You can see we do have a green support line down here at about 75 bucks. So if this thing is going to be bearish and fall back down into this pattern, you know, you may end up doing something like this to where you come and you do hit that $75, you know, and then come next year it finally breaks out and goes up. That is a possibility, just so you guys are aware. But I would watch those prices to the downside, and if it squeezes to the upside, of course, from where you are right now, we'll go from the 102. You need to get over the 100-day EMA at 106 here to 108 at that 382, and get over that for a 5% move, and then your next stop is about 117 to the 0.5 for a 14% move, and then, of course, you do have that 200-day EMA in between here, but it depends on how long it stays getting squeezed here, going sideways. You may end up meeting that 200-day EMA around the 0.5 area at 117 or so, and that could be heavy resistance. And, you know, you could come up for something like this, hit that 200-day EMA somewhere, and then get rejected and then come back down. So that is a possibility. There's so many different things. But as of right now, you did break out of the pattern. You did retest it, and from the high to the low, you're still stuck between or below the 382, so that is bearish here. So, like I said, it remains to be seen what QNT is going to do here. You need to break over the 108, break that 382 to get some momentum going up, and you need to stay over $98 or you're going to fall back down into the channel here and probably end up being bearish for another month or two. So we will leave it at that on QNT, not financial advice. Good luck, everyone, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.